Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Veronica and today I am back with a new scrapbooking haul with papers from the latest release from Mintay papers. In this latest release they have come up with 4 new collections as with every release, and I bought 2 full collections, and for the first time they came up with these 6 by 8 inches pads, which do not contain the same patterns as in the 6 by 6 and 12 by 12, as you will see, but they are a complementary pad, which is very interesting. I really don't know yet how I will use this, but there is YouTube for that to teach me. So I bought the autumn collection, the Christmas collection, and another collection called Grandma's Attic. And today I will present to you the autumn collection, which is called Golden Days. It's a lovely collection and has a how do I say, main character, which is a fox, and that's very sweet and lovely because I love foxes too. And as you remember, 2 years ago I think it was the puppy in the collection called Cozy Evening, Fall Festival. Yes, in Cozy Evening there were more other wooden lovely creatures. There was a fawn, I remember, and a puppy there as well, but there were no main characters. So this is the first sheet. This is the B side of the first sheet of the collection. As you know, every collection contains 13 sheets, 12 pattern papers, 6 of each, plus 1 sheet, the first one that I showed you, with for fussy cutting. Okay, so this is the second one. Lovely, absolutely lovely. The third one, now it has a cork on the back. This is the fourth one with slices of wood, and this pattern with the light blue and the white. The florals, they're famous for their wonderful florals from my point of view, and I love the simple and very inspired patterns on their back sides. And this is the sheet with 12 tags that are 4 by 3 inches, and this is how it looks on the back. And I love those doors that you can see, the hinges and the handles. Okay, so that was the 12 by 12. This is the 6 by 6, and which, as you know, it's basically the 12 by 12 patterns scaled down. And now starting with the last release, they added fussy cutting sheets in the small collection as well. And the small collections include, the small pads include the same pattern 4 times. So yeah, and they are very useful, very useful, because of course in every album you don't use just 12 by 12 papers. You make all kind of add-ons, and for those add-ons the 6 by 6 are absolutely perfect. And it's very nice to the eye also, because it goes from the bigger print to the smaller print. And here is the 6 by 8 paper, and look what it contains. So like I said, it's an add-on, it's a complementary pad, which of course can be used in albums as well, but in a certain way, in a different way, and I can't wait to understand better in what way, because like I said, I haven't had time at all to start playing with them. I'm just now yesterday I think, or Friday, today being Monday, so Friday I think I filmed the unboxing and the haul, and yeah, 2 days later I am narrating it. So it looks very nice. Of course it keeps the same main color scheme, which is blue and light and orange and burgundy, and I think it's absolutely lovely. So this is the first fussy cutting sheet. I think all these can be used. As you can see, there is a windows, there is that cupboard there, kitchen cupboard, there is that tray set. Very interesting. That, and here we have a big kitchen cupboard, which I'm extremely curious what I can do with it. Honestly, yeah, it's very, very interesting because it's big. It's 6 by 8 inches. That means 15 by 20 centimeters. So of course, yeah, this is a lovely, another lovely page with fussy cutting elements. Absolutely lovely. I love that they brought the red truck from Christmas papers, Christmas collection to here. And from now on, it starts repeating. So this 6 by 8 contains the same pattern 3 times. So it's 8 patterns 3 times for a total of 24 pages. So this is how the cardboard sticker sheet looks like. I love all the sayings. I love all the fact that they colored some of the sentiments. Yeah, it simply puts you in a good mood, and I haven't started creating with them yet, so I am really looking forward to that. Okay, now I will turn this on the back for me to show you the Ephemera Pack. It's a lovely one, absolutely lovely. Look at those pumpkins, look at those florals, absolutely lovely. I always love the white pumpkins or gray or light blue. Look at the fox, how cute and adorable she is, or he, or it, he or she, I guess. And yeah, this is how it looks. I really hope you like it. And yeah, this is all for the autumn collection. It's called Golden Days again, and I can't wait to start working with it. Yes, I also bought this Halloween chipboard sheet, and all this can be taken out of their of the sheet, and I am very curious if I can use it with this collection. It's an interesting combination. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon for the Christmas collection. Bye.